Good afternoon, welcome to MarineMax Stuart. Today we're going to be looking at one of our new arrivals, this 2024 33 LXF, powered by twin 300 horsepower Yamaha. Boat comes very well equipped, underwater lights, great seating. Got the faux teak on the transom, nice walk-through transom. Joystick control, twin Garmin screens, great in-floor fish box, optional live well, the aft sliding hardtop with Outriggers, dive door and very plush, comfortable bow area with room for everyone. Gunnel storage. Great combination head and cuddy. If you have more questions or would like to set a time to come see this boat or any of our inventory here at MarineMax, feel free to reach out to me, Dan Thompson. My cell phone is 978-375-1584. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day and see you on the water.